Hi guys, my name is Ganesh and today I want to ask you a question. That is why I'm just recording this session. So if I ask you a question that do you find mobile an important device? So probably you will say that yes, it is very important. It plays pivotal role in our life and I am also agree with that. But at the same time, if I ask you that so many crimes are happening and they are, just increasing very speedily. So are you agree with this? I mean, crimes are happening, on daily basis and they are in numbers, n numbers. So why is it happening? In last month we saw the case of Delhi. That guy actually searched how to perform a crime and escape and how to wipe out all the evidences. So this has happened due to the mobile only. So I can give you numerous examples of such crimes where these youth are involved in YouTube or the social media by which they are just gathering the information and they are then using that information to make to commit these kinds of crimes. And then even society is also baffled. Police is also struggling with the evidences. So is it fair? So I think use of mobile should be restricted. There should be some limitation. At least these kinds of content should not be open in the social media. So I personally feel like if anything like that, if it is open, if it is vulnerable information, if any such type of sensational or sensitive information is open, then definitely this is not good. It is injurious as it is growing the crimes in the people, in the youth, and altogether it is damaging the values of society. Our Indian culture was known for many reasons, but we are just forgetting the values. Why it is happening? Because these kinds of things we have just trying to adapt the Western culture, and that is why these things which are not part of us are happening and they are growing very very rapidly. So I personally feel like there should be a policy by government by which these kinds of there should be a law by which they should govern these things. They should restrict these kinds of vulnerable data which can damage the society, the culture, and which is helping to make a crime which is absolutely not acceptable. So I think like if internet is good for us, it is okay, but this sensational data should not be there. It should be restricted, and I think we should bring a policy where we can just raise these issues